Good morning, everybody. It is early, but it is still dark outside. Anyways, I'm here at Walgreens. I'm here to share with you guys some awesome deals. So I'm gonna go in the store, walk around the store, show you guys some deals, and then at the end of the video, I will have what I bought and everything that I had go wrong smoothly, all that fun stuff. And then I will also have a printable breakdown for you guys. So let's go shopping. So the Irish Spring and these soft soaps on sale this week for $3.99. Now we do have two actual different coupons. There is one for the Irish Spring, and we also have one for the soft soap. So there is a $2 off digital coupon for one or the other, so you would just get this bottle for $1.99. Not the greatest, but in case you guys need something or you want something for a quick gift, it's a good okay deal. If you guys have some Sally Henson Miracle Gel on clearance, these are $9.99 the regular price, but they're $4.99, and they're actually going to be buy one get one 50% off. We do have a $1 off coupon that you guys could use. You could probably use two of them. It comes a little bit cheaper if you are interested in something like that. The Tresemme is on sale for 2 for $10, and we do have a 5 off a 2 insert coupon. There's also a digital that you want to use, and then we're going to combine this deal with another deal. Walgreens. And then with that deal, we're going to do a Crest Toothpaste, which is $4, and we're going to use a $2 off P&G insert coupon from last week. You end up just paying $7, but when you buy 3 items, you'll get a $5 register reward, making these just $2 or 66 cents each. Or you could say Tresemme's each $1 and the toothpaste is free. The Crest Toothpaste is on sale for $3 along with some of the toothbrushes, but we currently have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. So you end up paying $3 for the toothpaste or the toothbrushes, and then you get a $3 register reward when you purchase 2 of the products, so these come out to be for free. The Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $3.98, and then you get a $4 cash rewards, making it for free. The Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. We currently have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. You'll pay $4, but when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 register reward, making these just $2 or $1 each. The Palmolive dish soap is a regular price for $2.99, but we do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You'll end up paying $4.98, but when you buy 2 of the Palmolive products, you get a $3 cash rewards, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents a bottle, which is a great deal. Or you can get this little thing for 99 cents a bottle too. The Purex is on sale for buy one get one free. Now the pods are $5.99 and the liquid is $6.49. So you could get these for basically $3 a piece, or these for $3.25. And then the Arm & Hammer is 3 for $7.49. Basically comes out to be $2.49 each. Here we got the Big Soleil for $6.49, and they were buy one get one 50% off. So as you see right here, but we are getting a $5 off one digital coupon, and then when you buy 2 of the qualifying products, you get a $4 in-store reward. Basically, so what you'll do is you'll pay $4.73, and you get that $4 back, and it ends up becoming just 73 cents. The Reese's candy is 2 for $6. There is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. Otherwise, you can clip it to your card for a $1 off a 2. But then we also have a $1 off 2 manufacturer coupon. So you guys will get these bags for just $2 a piece, or $4 all together if you want to stock up on candy. If you need some filler items with your register rewards, these Russell Stover's are actually 2 for $1 this week. Actually, they're 2 for $1 for the rest of till Christmas. So if you guys want to stock up on some candy or use these as fillers, definitely go ahead and do it. The $6.99 toys are actually this week they didn't take this sign down, but they're buy 2 you get 2 free. So that comes out to be you'll pay $13.98. But then you'll get $3.40, or it comes out to be $3.49 each, depending on what toy you get. Here's a great price for Skippy peanut butter. So this week they are 2 for $5. I actually have 2 digital $1 off coupons, so you're going to use those. You'll end up paying just $3 for 2 of them, but with Ibotta there is a 65-cent off deal with a limit of 5, so you guys will get $1.30 back, I think, from Ibotta. So your grand total for two things of peanut butter is $1.70 or 85 cents each. Great price for peanut butter. So we have the Quaker cereal, or the Captain Crunch cereal, or the Quaker Life cereal for $1.99. There was a printable coupon for $1 off of 2. So you guys will buy 2 of those and you'll end up paying just $2.98. There was a deal on Ibotta, but it has expired during the night, so if you wanted to do that. But otherwise, for like $1.50, $1.49, it's an okay deal. Now here's an awesome deal for Pepsi Zero. So these this week are 3 for $9.99. We do have that 3 off of 5 digital coupon or printable coupon. It's not showing up on here when I scan it, but you'll end up just paying the $9.99 price. But with Ibotta, there is $2 with a limit of 5. So you guys will get $6 back with Ibotta. So that comes out to be just $3.99. That's $1.33 a pack. Definitely go ahead and stock up on it. Okay, so here is a deal for the 6-pack of Pepsi Zero. So they are 2 for $6, and there is currently a $1.25 rebate back. So you guys will end up getting $2.50 back. So it comes out to be $3.50, or it's going to be $1.75 a pack, or it's going to be just 29 cents a bottle, which is a great deal. Here's a great deal if you guys need some ginger ale, especially with the holidays coming. So these are right now 2 for $3. You guys would pay $3 for it, but with Ibotta we have 50-cent rebates. So you get a limit of 5. So these comes out to be, you get $1 back with Ibotta. So these come out to be just $1 a piece, which is a pretty decent deal for considering how much pop costs these days, or soda. Okay, so we have the Pepsi Zero right now. They are 2 for $4. Most likely you're gonna buy 5 of them and use it and get it up to 10. But we do have that 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You'll end up just paying $8 or $7, sorry, you'll pay $7, but with Ibotta there is 50-cent rebates that you'll get back with a limit of 5. So you actually get $2.50 back with Ibotta. So then your total comes out to be just $4.50 for 5 of them. That comes out to be just 90 cents each if you want to go ahead and stock up on those. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm here to bring you guys my awesome haul. I am so stoked for this. I was not planning to do all the Pepsi deals. I was not. And then I walked in the aisle, I'm like, oh yeah, this is on sale. This is on sale. And I'm like, Ibotta rebates, because you guys know me. I am really trying to kick it on getting that 140, and I think I got 6 rebates with what I got today. 5. I got 5 rebates, so I was pretty happy. So I'm gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. First I'll start with the Pepsi products, or the drinks, because of that. So these were 2 for $6, the 6 packs of Pepsi Zero. You'd end up paying $6 for it, but there is a $1.25 rebate with Ibotta. So you'll get $2.50 back with Ibotta, making these $3.55 or $1.75 a pack, or just 29 cents a bottle, which is a great deal if you guys like soda. I don't drink Pepsi very much, very rare. My in-laws love like Pepsi and it's 0 sugar, so she's like, I'll take it, and I'm like, okay. So did that, which is a decent deal. I just gotta grab the 12 packs. And then I ended up getting 3 of the Pepsi Zero 12 packs. Now these this week are 3 for $9.99. You'll pay $9.99, but with Ibotta there's $2 rebates with a limit of 5. So you guys will get 2, 2, and 2, so you get $6 back with buying this, making it $3.33, which is, or $3.99, so $3.99, sorry. And then if you think about it, it's $1.33 a pack, which is a great price. So I got 3 of those. They did have Mountain Dew Zero, if you guys like Mountain Dew Zero, but you only get $1 back with Ibotta, and I was tempted to do that, but then I'm like, no, don't need to. Anyways, so I got the Schweppes Ginger Ale. I've been trying to find this at Walmart. My Walmart doesn't have it, and there's another store that I've been trying to look for it, and they just don't have it, or Pick and Save. So I I got it finally at Walgreens. This is the only one that they had. So these were 2 for $3. You'd pay $3 for this, but then there is 50-cent rebates with Ibotta for this. So you guys will get $1 back with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 each, which is a great price because sometimes those are like $2 now these days. I go to the grocery store, they want like $1.89. What's funny thing is the big ones are the same price as the bottles, but most people just buy the smaller ones because you don't need that much drink. But I was super excited for that. Then I did this deal. I got more drinks for you guys. I did the Pepsi Zero. Now I showed you guys a different scenario on the video, but I actually did it this way because I felt like it was a better deal. So I bought 2 of the Pepsi Zeros. These were 2 for $4. And then I bought more of these chips. You can't go wrong with these. So these are $1. So I got 3 of these for $1 each, so that's $3, and then these for $4, that's $7. Then you want to use that 3 off of 5 digital coupon. You'll get it for just $4, and then you can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta times 2, so you'll get $1 back with Ibotta, making these $3 or just 60 cents, which is a great deal. So definitely go ahead and stock up on Pepsi Zero. If you know somebody who like loves that stuff, that's a great gift. Like I used to get my stepdad certain drinks all the time because it's like he's gonna use it, so why not? Here's an awesome deal about awesome deal for peanut butter. These this week are 2 for $5. There is $1 off digital and $1 off digital coupon. If you guys have them, definitely go for it and use them. You'd pay $3 for this, but then there is a 65-cent rebate and a 65-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.70 or 85 cents a piece. I still have tons of peanut butter from like earlier this summer, but that's okay. Peanut butter. Yeah. Okay, so I did the Tresemme deal, and it's buy 3. So I bought 3 of the products, and I did not get my register reward for it. So I have to contact, it was the cash rewards, so I have to send a message to Walgreens to see what they can do. But I got the Tresemme, sorry my wrists are killing me. These were 2 for $10. I had a 5 off of 2 insert coupon. And then we have the $4 off Crest Toothpaste, and I used a $2 off insert coupon. You would pay $7 for this, but then you're supposed to get a $5 in-store rewards register. Yeah, $5 in-store rewards register reward. I did not get that. There's too many new people going on right now, so that's why I'm just gonna contact customer service myself. But you end up getting these for just $2 or 66 cents a piece, or you could say, hey, I got the toothpaste for free and just get these bottles of shampoo for $1 each. So it just depends on what you want to do. I ended up doing the Bic Soleil razors. Now these were $6.49. Buy one, get one 50% off. I used a $5 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. You also would get, where have I lost my spot? You'd pay $4.73, but you receive a $4 register reward when you purchase 2 of them. This comes out to be just 73 cents for 2 of them, which is a great deal. So we got that. And then I ended up doing the Crest deal for the $3 ones, so these were $3. I had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I used, so you'd pay $3 for this, but then you get a $3 register reward, making these free. Now you can use 2 of those $2 off coupons if you guys want and make it a $1 moneymaker. It is up to you on how you want to do it, but I wanted to share with you different scenarios. Then we got the Colgate Total Toothpaste. These were $3.99. I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, paid $3.98. You get a $4 cash rewards, making these just free. You guys will get those for free. And then we had the last deal, the Garnier Fructis. Now these were 2 for $7, and you want to use the where I lost my spot. Where is my spot? Really? I was just looking. Okay, you want to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4 for this, but then you get a $2 register reward, making these just $2 or $1 each, which is a great deal. So that was my haul, you guys. I am pretty happy with everything that I got. my total came to $39.43. I literally froze the system. Thankfully, there was not one person in the store because I was up there for like 15 minutes trying to check out, and I'm just like, the person's like, oh, I'm sorry. I'm like, I don't care. I'm used to this. I'm not complaining. As long as everything works out fine, I was totally happy, but the only thing that didn't happen was that $5 register reward. So my total came to $39.40. I did receive $9 worth of register rewards. For cash rewards, I received $13.44. I don't know if I maybe got the $5 in points. I don't know, because I did receive $5 extra, but I thought that possibly might be a booster that I had clipped. I am not sure. If you guys know more about that deal, please inform me. I usually don't contact Walgreens until like a day or so later anyways. So let me know if that buy 3 deal is a in-store like register reward or if it's a cash rewards, because it just says on the app in store. So, and I can't remember what the tag said. So anyways, with Ibotta, I received $11.80. That was for the $2 2-packs, the $1.25 6-packs. I got 50 cents of the Schweppes ginger ale, and then I got 50 cents for the individual bottles, and then I got 65 cents for the Skippy. And then if you guys submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you actually get 5% of points for any Pepsi Cola product that you got. So I got like 900 something points for that. I think it was like 935. And then you also get points for the Tresemme. I got points for the Lay's potato chips, and then I think I got points for I want to say I got points for the, I can't remember, I lost my train of thought. But anyways, so I ended up receiving 1,253 points from Fetch, which is $1.25. So my grand total came to $3.91. That is an awesome deal. $3.91. If I did not get my thing correctly, then I actually would, if I do get my $5 when I contact Walgreens, then technically it'll be a $1.09 moneymaker. So I am happy with everything that I got. Everything went by smoothly. I can't believe the Pepsi deal. I'm like, I walk down every single aisle when I do go and look at stuff, because I hate the new ad and I don't understand it. I do understand it, but I don't. And so I'm just like, okay, let's see what other deals I can do. So I was happy with what I got. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel. It's free, and all I do is help you guys save some money with tons of different things other than just coupon. I help you save with money by doing all this other stuff. So make sure you guys smash, I hate saying that word, but smash the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye.